San Diego, a city known for its beautiful beaches and its laid-back, sunny vibe, harbors a dark and troubling secret. Beneath the surface, its justice system is failing its citizens in ways that are both shocking and disheartening. The District Attorney's Office, an institution sworn to uphold justice and protect the innocent, is instead perpetuating a cycle of injustice. Time and again, they let dangerous criminals walk free while punishing those who dare to speak out or help. This isn't just a case of incompetence or oversight. It's a deliberate pattern of disregard for the law and the victims they are supposed to protect. Something stinks in San Diego, and it's not just the seaweed washed up on the beach. This issue transcends politics. It's a matter of fundamental right and wrong. It's about time we shine a bright light on the DA's office, exposing the truth and demanding accountability. Stay tuned, because tonight, we're diving deep into the belly of the beast, uncovering the hidden truths and seeking justice for those betrayed by the system. Meet Good Samaritan's Murs Curtis, a regular San Diegan who witnessed a hit-and-run accident. Instead of looking away, they did the right thing. They reported the crime and even helped police track down the vehicle. You'd think they'd be hailed as a hero, right? Wrong.
After being robbed at gunpoint by suspect in Jan of 2922, RE armed robbery suspect in January 2023 accused Good Samaritan's Curtis of a bizarre crime, setting a lawn chair on fire. And shockingly, the DA's office bought it. They slapped Good Samaritan's name with charges.
Let's get this straight. The victim of a hit-and-run who helped police is being punished. Meanwhile, the suspect is roaming free. This is justice, San Diego style. The injustice doesn't end there. It's a story that keeps unfolding, revealing deeper layers of negligence and corruption. The DA's Summer Stevens' office had a chance to hold the suspect accountable for the hit and run. This was a clear-cut case, with evidence that could have easily led to a conviction. They could have thrown the book at them for armed robbery, which was connected to the case. But did they? Nope. Instead, they let the suspect slip through their fingers, ignoring the gravity of the crime. Instead, they chose to focus on a flimsy accusation about a burning lawn chair. A charge so minor and insignificant, it's almost laughable. It's almost comical if it weren't so tragic. The real tragedy lies in the lives affected by their negligence. It's like they're playing a game of protect the criminal, and the citizens of San Diego are the losers. The community suffers while the real criminals walk free. This isn't just one bad apple, it's the entire orchard. The corruption runs deep, affecting every branch of the system. The DA's office has a pattern of ignoring serious crimes while pursuing bogus charges against innocent people. This pattern is not just a series of mistakes, it's a deliberate choice that undermines the very foundation of justice. The Section 4, a pattern of injustice. In this section, we delve deep into the systemic issues plaguing our legal system. The patterns of injustice are not isolated incidents, but rather a recurring theme that affects countless lives. The case of Good Samaritan's Curtis is sadly not unique. It is a glaring example of how the system fails those who act selflessly. Good Samaritans, who should be celebrated, often find themselves entangled in legal battles that defy logic and fairness. We've uncovered numerous cases where the DA's office seems to favor certain demographics over others. This preferential treatment undermines the very essence of justice, creating a divide that is hard to bridge. African American victims of crime are being ignored, their cases dismissed without proper investigation. This neglect is not just a failure of the system, but a betrayal of the trust that these communities place in the legal framework.
Meanwhile, Caucasian suspects with a rap sheet longer than a CVS receipt are getting a free pass. This disparity in treatment raises serious questions about the integrity and impartiality of our legal institutions. Is it incompetence, or is there something more sinister at play? The patterns we see suggest that these are not mere oversights but deliberate actions that perpetuate inequality. The evidence suggests a disturbing pattern of racial bias that can't be ignored. This bias corrodes the foundation of justice and erodes public trust in the legal system.
This isn't just about one case or one community. It's about the very fabric of our society. When injustice becomes a pattern, it threatens the core values we hold dear. When the justice system favors one group over another, we all lose. The scales of justice must be balanced for everyone, regardless of race, background, or social status. Only then can we truly claim to live in a just society. Section 5. Where's the accountability? The DA's Summer Stevens needs to answer for this. They're elected to serve and protect, not to play judge, jury, and executioner based on personal biases.
The citizens of San Diego deserve better. This isn't about politics. This is about basic human decency. It's about time we demand accountability from those in power. We need to shine a light on these injustices and demand change. Silence is complicity. If we don't speak up, who will? The time for complacency is over. The time for action is now.
Section 6. Demand justice. Don't let Good Samaritan's name be just another statistic. Don't let the DA's office sweep their injustices under the rug.
We need to make some noise. Contact your city council members. Write to your congressman. Raise your voice on social media. Let the DA know that we're watching, and we won't tolerate this any longer.
Justice should be blind, not biased. It's time for the DA's office to remember its oath and start serving all the citizens of San Diego, not just the privileged few. The fight for justice starts now.